Amazing lakefront home has an open and spacious floor plan of 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and den/study. The great room features triple sliding glass doors that lead to your oversized lake lot backyard oasis. The gourmet kitchen is finished with 42-wood cabinet complemented by quartz countertops, stainless appliances and oversized center island with breakfast bar and separate dining area. Master suite features an oversized walk-in closet, dual sinks, quartz counters and glass enclosed shower. This nearly new home has been finished with many custom upgrades throughout, including 10-feet ceilings, 8 doors, 5 baseboards, wood-look porcelain tile and a 3-car tandem garage for a 3rd car or for extra storage. Compass Landing is a gated community located in North Naples, minutes to I-75, Mercato, beaches, located near both Publix and thenew Founders Square restaurants and more, plus zoned with a rated Collier County public schools. Residents enjoy a 2,600 square feet amenity center, resort-style pool, clubhouse, tot-lot and fitness center, low HOA fees.